Introducing the newest form of smart device protection. Accidents happen. You are always a click away from accidentally granting access to your camera, putting you in really awkward situations. And people end up seeing things they shouldn't. Introducing Odin products, innovative cases that feature unparalleled protection. We partnered with Spec Design, the creators of Spec products, and designers of the pop socket. Together we analyzed hundreds of designs, and we realized that the cameras were missing an impact shield to prevent lenses from scratching and provide additional privacy. That's how Odin Products was born. We discovered a simple solution to a modern-day problem. Odin products are designed with true protection and innovation in mind, offering premium drop, impact, and scratch protection, and assuring that your cameras are only on when you want them to be. Discover where privacy meets design innovation. We designed our brand with socially conscious materials in mind. On the outside, you'll feel a sturdy and durable shell that is designed to last. Inside, you'll have the most innovative technology to gain complete control over your cameras. You deserve freedom and peace of mind. Block yourself from hackers and apps or even ex-friends that are trying to spy on you. We care about technology that helps creators, travelers, and business professionals gain complete control over their smart device camera lenses. You are now free from the prying eyes of the digital world. Get our simple hardware solution today to live a more discreet, protected life. Close the door on an era of uncontrolled access. Please support our campaign if you believe that there is no need to sacrifice privacy over technology and gain a new level of freedom and ultimate privacy protection.